If you are looking for a high-performance RC car in 2026, this video will help you choose the right one without wasting money. Because many RC cars look powerful on paper, but in real use, they often struggle with durability, control, or battery performance. So in this video, I am breaking down the top 5 best RC cars in 2026, ranked from number 1 to number 5, based on speed, durability, control, off-road performance, and overall value. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get into it. Number 1. RIAARIO 1/10 Brushless Monster Truck, 50 miles per hour. This is the best overall RC car in this entire list. It delivers the strongest combination of speed, durability, and off-road performance. This is a 1/10 scale brushless monster truck with 4WD drivetrain, waterproof electronics, and a carbon fiber reinforced structure. It can reach speeds of over 50 miles per hour, making it one of the fastest RC trucks in its category. Performance breakdown. From the moment you press the throttle, this RC truck feels powerful and responsive. The brushless motor delivers instant acceleration, which makes it very exciting to drive. On rough terrain like dirt, gravel, and grass, the 4WD system keeps it stable and controlled. Even at high speeds, it maintains balance better than most competitors. However, when driving at full throttle continuously, the battery drains faster than average. Pros: extremely high top speed, strong and durable build quality, excellent off-road traction, waterproof electronics, and very stable at high speed. This is the best overall RC car in 2026. If you want maximum performance without compromise, this is the number 1 choice. Number 2. AMORIL 1/10 Brushless Monster Truck, 50 miles per hour. This model is focused on raw power and upgrade potential. It is designed for hobby users who want long-term performance. This is a 1/10 scale brushless monster truck with 4WD, waterproof electronics, and 3S LiPo battery support. It is built for serious off-road driving and customization. This truck delivers strong acceleration and aggressive power delivery. It performs very well on rough terrain and absorbs shocks effectively due to its suspension system. It also supports upgrades, allowing users to increase performance over time. However, it is slightly heavier than other models, which affects agility in tight turns. Pros: very strong acceleration, high durability, excellent suspension system, upgrade-friendly design, and supports high-power battery systems. This is the best choice for hobby users who want upgrade potential and strong performance. Number 3. RIAARIO 1/10 Rally Car, 40 miles per hour. This is the most balanced RC car in the list. It focuses on control, stability, and smooth driving. This is a 1/10 scale rally-style RC car with 4WD, waterproof electronics, and carbon fiber reinforced frame. It reaches speeds of over 40 miles per hour. This car is very easy to control compared to monster trucks. It performs smoothly on roads and mixed terrain, offering predictable handling at higher speeds. It is not designed for extreme jumps or aggressive off-road crashes, but it is very stable overall. Pros: very stable handling, smooth and predictable driving, beginner-friendly performance, strong durability, and good for mixed terrain. This is the best balanced RC car for users who want control and stability. Number 4. HyperGo H14 BM V3 1/14 scale brushless RC truck, 50 miles per hour. This is a compact but extremely fast RC truck. It is designed for aggressive driving in a smaller size. This is a 1/14 scale Truggy with 4WD drivetrain, waterproof electronics, and 3S battery compatibility. It is built for serious off-road driving and customization. This truck delivers strong acceleration and aggressive power delivery. It performs very well on rough terrain like sand, gravel, grass, and dirt. It is also easy to use in tight spaces due to its smaller size. However, at top speed, it is less stable than larger 1/10 scale models. Pros: very fast for its size, strong suspension system, excellent off-road capability, durable build for crashes, and waterproof electronics. This is best for users who want compact speed and off-road fun. Number 5. RLAARLO 1/10 Brushless RC Buggy, 40 miles per hour. This is the most beginner-friendly and stable RC buggy in the list. This is a 1/10 scale 4WD off-road buggy with oil-filled shocks and a ready-to-run system. It reaches speeds above 40 miles per hour. This buggy focuses on smooth handling and stability rather than extreme speed. It is very easy to control, making it ideal for beginners. It performs well on dirt and uneven surfaces without losing control easily. However, it is not designed for aggressive racing or extreme stunt driving. Pros: very stable and easy to control, good suspension system, beginner-friendly driving experience, solid build quality, and smooth performance. This is the safest and easiest RC car to drive in this list. So that was the top 5 best RC cars in 2026, ranked from number 1 to number 5. If you want the best overall performance, the number 1 RIAARIO monster truck is the top choice. If you want upgrade potential and hobby-level power, the number 2 AMORIL is ideal. If you want balance and control, the number 3 rally car is the safest option. If you want compact speed and off-road fun, the number 4 HyperGo is a great pick. And if you want stability and beginner-friendly driving, the number 5 RLAARLO Buggy is the easiest to handle. At the end of the day, the best RC car depends on your experience level and how you want to drive.